When you look at a music score, you see all the notes are not the same. They are in different shapes. So what are shapes? The shape shows you the different time value of those notes. To understand the time value of the notes, just imagine you have a pizza cake. Hello, my name is Ken, K-E-N. In this video, I would like to show you the rhythmic value. So what is the rhythmic value? Very easy. When you look at a music score, you see all the notes are not the same. They are in different shapes. So what are shapes? The shape shows you the different time value of those notes. To understand the time value of the notes, just imagine you have a pizza cake. I draw a pizza, okay? So I just make a circle as a pizza. Okay, this is a circle. All right. Now, it's too big. So this is a whole one. I want to cut it half. So I cut it half. Now, and then I take both halves, all right, apart. So like this. So it becomes this and this, right? Sorry, my handwriting is not okay. It's become half, so two half, right? Two half. But you see, two half look the same. How can we separate them? Very easy. We use a stick. What we, a tool. What we use that to cut the pizza. So we use that and stick with the half like this. Stick with the half, right? So we have two halves. That means a whole become two halves, right? Now, let me redraw again, so you can understand easier. So I have a whole, all right? And then I cut half. So cut half. This we already cut. Okay, very easy. Can tell, right? And then we cut one more time because half is too big. So we cut one more time. All right. How can we separate this a quarter with the half? Because look the same. So very easy. We have a half, right? Now let me draw here. We have a whole first, and then we have a half, right? And when we cut the half, we have a quarter. But you see the quarter and the half look the same. We need to separate them. Very easy. We just make it different color. We make it black. Okay, like that. Easy, right? So this is a quarter. Let me write down. This is a whole pizza. This is a half a pizza. And this is a quarter of pizza. Very easy, right? So a quarter, that means a whole equal to 4 quarters, right? Equal to 2 halves. Very easy. So now let me take a quarter as 1. So if I take it as 1, then a half become 2, isn't it? Or a whole become 4. Very easy. That means we have a map here. Yep, we have a map. So a whole equal to 2 half equal to 4 quarter. Right? Do you see? Very easy, right? And from this we cut more. Now, if we cut more, what happened? Okay, if we cut, we need to make it like equally. That means we need to cut like this. Now, this time we need to make it separate from a quarter by making us a flag, giving it a flag like this. So we have this part here, this part, right? This an eighth, so we call eighth. Very easy, right? So now we already know the rhythmic value of the notes. You see, each note has different values and different shapes. Now let me do it again for you, draw everything again for you. So we have whole, all right, we call whole note equal to 4. We have half, we call half note equal to 2. We have a quarter note equal to 1, right? We have eighth note, an eighth note. So it's equal to 1.5, right? And then so on, we have 16 notes. All right, and we have 3, 1, 2, 3, yep. This 32nd note. Very easy, right? Very easy. So those notes, different shapes, we have different values. All right, and why I call this have different time values? What is a time value? For example, I put this as here, like a quarter note equal to 1, and this we say 1 bit or 1 second. So each bit like this, right, has the time value as 1 second. That means a quarter note has 1 second or 1 bit, right? Then the whole note equal to 4 seconds, 4 bits. What does it mean? Like you have a whole pizza, right? You need to eat a quarter with 1 second. If you can eat 1 second, that means you can eat the whole pizza in 4 seconds only. Like that, very easy, very simple, right? So that's all for the rhythmic value. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy or if you see this video is helpful for you, please give me a thumb up and subscribe the video and subscribe the channel and be a membership to support me. Thank you very much. Bye bye and see you in next video.